This is a brand new 2013 Ford Super Duty. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include power adjustable driver pedals, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a passenger side vanity mirror, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, full power accessories, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Hollingsworth Richards Ford is located at 7787 Florida Boulevard in Baton Rouge. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits. And as always, remember, at Hollingsworth Richards, we're making deals every day.